Hey guys, so Dollar Beans is officially live. Ayan, so congratulations sa mga nakapag-start agad sa mga action takers. Okay, so gaya nga ng sabi ko, this is my new favorite, number one when it comes to passive income opportunity. So tamang-tama, it's a brand new start, it's a brand new year, okay, 2025. So this time guys, I will make sure na this will be a very successful project for us kasi this is by request. Marami talaga gusto ng passive income, yung tipong daily talaga may papasok na income sa'yo. So good news, si Dollar Beans, it's offering 3% up to 6.5% daily returns. But there's a trick here guys, no? So baka isipin natin na ito ay isa na namang mabilis ma-drain na contract. So merong ginawa si Dollar Beans na what we call the blue chip, okay, with when we compare this to other contracts, no, kasi yung mga previous contracts na yon, wala tayong magawa kasi easily drain talaga yung contract, and there are many reasons behind it. But this time guys, I paid a lot to create this project. I paid a developer to make this project. And syempre, since galing na tayo sa mga previous staking projects na nilaunch natin, okay, and it ended up unsuccessful, no? So maraming mga hindi nakabawi kasi nga na-drain agad yung contract. So this time, ito ginawa natin ng mga key features na para hindi na siya matulad dun sa mga projects na yun. So, sa user interface pa lang guys, it's very cute. Okay, but of course, syempre, ang pinaka-importante dito guys is yung features niya. Okay, so dito pa lang ibang-iba na siya. Ayan, meron siyang beans, no, para siyang staking game, 'di ba? Sabi nga it's a static rewards pool. Okay? And ang maganda dito, meron siyang anti-drain mechanism. Okay? So, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. I will give you an idea. But of course, first is gusto ko lang kayong i-guide, no, kung paano natin mamamaximize yung earnings dito kay Dollar Beans. So, ayan, nakaka-attract yung 3.5%. So, which is totoo naman kasi ito ay invested $80 or USDT. And that gives me how much is this? 792,000 beans. And we all know na ang equivalent ng 10,000 beans is 1 USDT. Okay? So, eto guys, I have earnings of, how much is this? 23,908 beans. So it means there is like $2 already. So 0 days and 12 hours, no? Nandito yung time pass since we last eat. So nandito lahat. Very very transparent, no? Makikita mo kung kailan ka huling nag-withdraw, 'di ba? But guys, here meron ditong key features, which is ito yung pinaka wala dun sa other projects, na ito rin yung cause kung bakit na-drain agad yung contracts. So, eto guys, si Dollar Beans, eto yung pinagmamalaki natin na pinagkaiba niya. So, naka-indicate naman dito na there is a tax on early withdrawals with the amount depending on how long the USDT has been in the pool. The longer it has been, the lower the tax. So, I tried everything. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito guys, huwag tayong mag-withdraw every day kasi meron siyang tax. Okay? So, ang good news naman doon, yung tax na yan, malaki to guys ha, malaki. Kasi syempre, nakalagay nga dyan, the the longer the USDT has been in the pool, the lower the tax. So, ibig sabihin, i-avoid natin yung parating magwi-withdraw agad. So, ang good news dito is, kasi meron siyang three functions. So, the buy beans, which is invest, rebake, ito yung compound, at yung eat beans, ito yung withdraw. So, I encourage you to rebake beans every day, okay, for the next 1 week. So, ibig sabihin guys, ang strategy natin na gagawin dito is mag-rebake lang tayo every day. Pwede rin naman na every other day, it's up to you. Depende kasi yan sa amount ng nilagay mo. Kapag medyo maliit lang, so syempre, i-calculate nyo na lang. Basta 10,000 is equivalent to 1 USDT. So, kung meron kang 10,000 beans na dyan, ibig sabihin, meron ka ng $1 at pwede mo na siyang i-rebake. Okay? Pag init mo siya or withdraw, merong tax yon. Okay? Ang tax naman na yan, guys, napupunta yan sa giveaway wallet. So, yung giveaway wallet na yun, yun yung ini-inject dito, pabalik kay Dollar Beans, dito sa contract. So, ibig sabihin, kapag nag-withdraw ka ng maaga, dinodonate mo sa contract yung other earnings mo. Okay? So, mas lugi ka doon kasi syempre, malaki yung deductions or yung tax. Which is, kumbaga, parang pang ano yan, pang sustain ng contract, 'di ba? So there's a good news and bad news from that. So ibig sabihin lang nun, guys, wag tayong mag-withdraw every day, okay? Pwede naman natin gawin 'yan, pero magbabayad tayo ng tax. Yung tax naman na yun, guys, again, babalik lang yun sa contract. Okay? So, dun pa lang ang ganda na ng sistema, 'di ba? So, talagang magtatagal yung project. So, ang strategy natin, sabi ko nga, is mag-rebake lang tayo ng rebake. So, ibig sabihin, nagko-compounding tayo nun. Ang good thing kasi dito is nasa OPBNB siya. So, ibig sabihin, less than piso yung every transactions na ginagawa natin. So, kahit mag-rebake tayo dyan or compounding, kahit maliit lang yan, that will work. That will adds to your contract or to your investment. 'Di ba? So, it means lalago yung ating yung beans natin, lalago yung ating invests. So, tumataas din yung earnings natin daily. Okay? Tapos, pwede tayong mag-withdraw every 7th day. So, it means, nagtagal sa pool, no, yung ating investment or yung ating mga beans or USDT natin. So, it means, mas maliit na yung tax na babawas. So, yun yung trick doon. Okay? So, unlike other projects, guys, kasi, no, meron nga silang mga sinasabi na anti-drain mechanism, but end of the day, talagang ang bilis pa rin ma-drain. Okay? So, ito yung wala sa kanila. Alright? So, kaya ako, I'm very proud and excited about Dollar Beans. This will be a successful staking projects and proud to share with you, guys. No, kasi marami talagang nag-ask ng passive income. So, ito na yon. And again, I posted a my agenda for this 2025. So sabi ko nga, this will be my number one staking project. Okay, I only have 2 projects, guys. And the next project na ilo-launch ko very soon, that's the biggest one and that's my main project. Kasi ito, this is my passive income. And I'll make sure, guys, no, na magiging stable yung contract. So whatever happens to the investors or kung ano man, guys, kahit mabagal man 'yan, ang importante hindi siya madedrain. So I have my other sources din, okay? Katulad nga yung mga ila-launch ko very soon, no? Pwede ko rin yung gamitin yung revenue doon to inject in this project. So basta, guys, this is one of my favorite. This is one of our own na talaga na project. So I will make sure na na hindi na tayo maglo-loss, 'di ba? So nakakaawa kasi yung iba na pumapasok, no, nagtitiwala sila pero end of the day nadadrain yung contract. So since that's a smart contract, tapos yung creator naman nun is after creating the project, wala na, 'di ba? So yun, pag na-drain yung contract, wala na talaga. So, sayang naman yung mga pumapasok na mga investors, hindi na nakakabawi. O kaya naman yung contract or yung project na yun, nag-effort tayo, pero after few weeks, nawawala na siya. So, this time, guys, ito pinaghandaan. Okay? Tapos, kumbaga, nilagyan na ng solusyon yung papadali, no, ng buhay nung project. So, ito, guys, yung concept kasi nito is based sa Baked Beans, which is very successful project few years back. So, sa Baked Beans, guys, inabot siya ng more than, I think almost or more than 2 years, and maraming nag-earn talaga doon. Okay, very passive, and naging viral talaga yung project na yun. So, yung concept nun, guys, in-apply dito. Though meron din siyang pinagkaiba, hindi siya totally 100% the same. Okay? Pero I'm sure na this will work and this will last longer. Okay? So, Dollar Beans, ayan. And, na-check ko na yung kanyang contract. Pwede rin naman nating i-check dito, guys. Ayan, by clicking here. So, mapupunta tayo dito sa contract. And dito, guys, hindi natin makikita yung USDT balance kasi this is built on OPBNB, pero yung earnings natin is USDT, di ba? So, makikita rin naman natin yung earnings na yan later on dito sa transaction hash. Okay, so when we click that, ayan. So, ito yung transaction. And then, we can click here. Dito guys, hold on. So, yung token, Tether USDT. So, ibig sabihin na, ito yung investment and then these are the, ito yung mga charges, no? So, sa deposit kasi may 2% na fee. Okay? Deposit fee, which is napupunta yon sa marketing, sa hosting, sa creator. So, very minimal. Tingnan nyo, sobrang liit lang. Unlike other projects talaga, yung previous projects natin, talagang malulula ka sa mga charges, 'di ba? Sa mga deductions. Ang nagsasuffer nun yung contract, guys. Okay? But here, dito kay Dollar Beans, napaka-generous no nung creator, and I'm very proud of that. I'm not the creator of this one. Sabi ko nga, I paid a developer to do this for me. And syempre, sinabi ko na yung mga request ko, no, kung ano yung dapat gawin para maiwasan na yung mga pag-drain ng contract, 'di ba? Yung mabilis na pag-end ng project. So, eto guys, ayan no, when we compare this to other projects, partial match lang sila. Ito exact match. Okay? So, very first yan dito sa OPBNB network, naka-exact match. And ito yan, si Dollar Beans, verified. And ito yung contract niya, if you can read. Okay? I'm not expert on codes, but ayan, very unique to guys. And this is multiple source codes. Ayan, hindi siya easily no na mako-clone ng other projects. Ayan. So, yung iba kasi isa lang, single file. Ito guys, ayan. And dito, papakita ko sa inyo. Okay, ito yung mga connected wallets. Alright, so meron siyang dev address, marketing, CEO, and giveaway address. Kung mapapansin nyo guys, ayan, may mga values dito. Naliwanag na sa akin to ng dev. Okay? Kung paano siya nag-work. So, gaya nung minention ko kanina, yun nga, sabi ko nga, may tax na babayaran or ide-deduct kapag early nag-withdraw ka agad. Okay? So, may purpose naman yun, di ba? Para masustain yung contract, di ba? Maging healthy yung contract. So, and then here, yung makikita nating mga deductions na yan, guys, is very minimal lang yan. Okay? So, ito, ayan, deposit fee, 1, it's ibig sabihin 1%, 1% airdrop fee, hinati pa siya. Kaya napakaliit lang nung mga fees, 'di ba? Nakita naman natin sa transactions, internal transactions kanina ng USDT. Okay? So, meron pa akong nabasa dito, guys. Ito guys kaya ko sinabi sa inyo to avoid withdrawing early. So, ito 'yon. 'Di ba? So, baka half lang yung ma-withdraw nyo kapag, ayan, 66, more than half, kapag nag-withdraw kayo agad. So, sayang naman, 'di ba? Kung gusto niyo buo ma-withdraw yon, pagtagalin nyo sa pool yung inyong mga deposits. Okay? Nakita naman natin sa transactions. Okay? Ayan. So, kung merong nag-deposit ng, deposit to, 'di ba? 102. Look at the deductions, guys. Ito lang, 'di ba? Ayan. So, ibig sabihin nung out, ayan, napunta yan sa what do you call this, ayan, CEO wallet, dev wallet, marketing. So, yun. Ito lang guys, yung mga deductions. Napakaliit, 'di ba? So, ito tulad nito, $3 yung deposit. Okay? Ayan lang, yung mga deductions, 'di ba? So, hindi magsasuffer yung contract. Ang great news din dito is, kung halimbawa man at nag-withdraw ka ng maaga, okay? Sabi ko nga, merong like more than 50%. So, ang papasok lang sa wallet mo sabihin na natin 44% lang. So, yung 66% saan napupunta? Napunta yon sa giveaway wallet, okay? And then, yun yung pabalik dito sa contract. Okay? So, napaka-genius nung system. Kaya naman sabi ko nga, this project will run for long term. Okay? So, kung nag-failed man tayo sa other projects, previous projects natin, as long as we're not giving up, okay, we will still win. Especially ngayon, napakagandang magsimula kasi it's a brand new start of the year. Okay? Let's make sure na from this year and beyond ay magiging successful na tayong lahat. Okay? Lalo na, I'm very excited for my upcoming projects. So, dadalawa lang to guys. Okay? Ayan, so nandito na ang main projects ko. Ayan, si Trend with Threads. And makikita nyo yan guys, grabe, I'm really excited about this one. Alright. So, na-launch na natin si Dollar Beans and everyone will benefit from here. And explain ko na sa inyo no, yung pinagkaiba niya. And this main project, okay? Ayan, the blueprint for success. pwede nyo basahin dito guys. Ayan, next project, Trend with Threads. Ayan, trend token guys. Ayan. So, grabe po. May future ito. May wide variety of use cases at a real utility token. Okay? So, soon i-announce ko kung kailan magiging available yung private sale. May tinatapos lang ako dito guys. And I'm sure talagang mag-work ito. Tataas yung value ng token na to. And kasi eto guys yung key features niya. Can you imagine this one? So, eto meron tayong product no na ang pambayad dito guys para maka-avail ka lang nito is yung trend token. Okay? So, ano ba kasi yung bibili na yan? Ito yung social media tools wherein magigain ka ng followers, views, shares, para ma-achieve mo na yung monetizations. Alam naman natin sa panahon ngayon guys, grabe, di ba? Ang daming mga gustong magkaroon ng maraming followers, magkaroon ng maraming likes, views sa YouTube. So, with the help of our very first project, okay, tataas na ang inyong monetization. Okay? So, magkakaroon na, kumbaga, pwede na kayong ma-monetize with just a small amount of payment. So, kailangan yung bumili ng trend token para makapag-buy kayo nito. So, on my next video uploads, guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung sample, no, nung kung paano nag-work yan. I'm on testing this project. So, napakagandang tools niya guys. Na try ko na yan sa aking Telegram. So, ito, ako makikita nyo, itong si OP Dollar Beans. Ayan, I have 986 members. 'Di ba? So, medyo bumaba pa ngayon. Nasa 1,000 yan eh. Tapos ito, yung channel ko guys, from 200 plus, now 2,400. 'Di ba? So, grabe guys, very effective talaga. Okay? And yung YouTube channel ko, ito, so from 7,000, almost 8,000, ayan, 9,600. Napakalaking bagay nito. Napaka big help talaga. Kaya I'm very excited guys. Isa lang yan sa product ni Trend. Okay? Tapos, meron pa siyang, ayan, okay, the only cryptocurrency accepted for our exclusive products and services, including, ito na nga, yung sinasabi kong social media marketing tools. Okay? Staking opportunities. Ayan, maglo-launch pa tayo ng staking, pero syempre with trends na yan. Okay? Hindi naman yan mawawala dapat sa isang new token launch, 'di ba? Staking, tapos yung forex trading courses natin, ang pambayad trend token, 'di ba? Trading bots, we will have a trading bots, pambayad trend token. Crypto education, yan, Solana. Since I'm doing a side hustle on Solana, kumikita tayo dyan ng good amount of money daily. So, kung gusto nyo ding matutunan yan, of course, you can by paying this trend token. So, yun lang ina-accept natin. Alright? And ito yung pinaka-main project natin dito kay Trend, which is the play-to-earn social media DApp. So, ano to guys? Web3 application social media wherein mag-earn tayo by doing tasks or interacting. So, this is very exciting guys na ang ganda ng project nito. Okay? I'm very excited about this one. Mag-earn ka ng trend token. Diba? May utility na yung token natin kasi magagamit mo siya pambili sa mga projects na to. And at the same time, kikitain mo siya dito sa isa pa no, na project natin na coming soon. So, I'm very, very excited talaga dito guys. Kaya, abangan nyo. I-announce ko yan dito sa channel. So, make sure that you're here. So, once na nag-upload ako about this one, once na naging available na to, make sure to buy your tokens kasi yung listing price nito guys, i-announce ko din sa mga next uploads ko. Okay? So, napakalupit talaga ng project na to. Kaya huwag kayong papayag na hindi kayo makasabay dito. Okay? This will create a lot of millionaires from this year and beyond. So, that's all my update guys. And I hope nakita nyo yung vision and excitement about this project. So, I'm tired of promoting other people's project. Diba? So, I bring people from to their projects, but ending is, wala tayong magawa kapag nag-collapse na yung project nila, diba? So, this time, kung nagagawa natin mag-promote ng other projects, why not with our own project na alam natin na hindi tayo papayag na mag-collapse, 'di ba? So, this is my new babies, only 2 projects for this year, and this will be a long-term project for us, at hindi tayo papayag na hindi tayo maging successful lahat dito. Lahat na magtitiwala, lahat ng sasabay. Okay? So that's all for today. And gaya nga ng sabi ko, make sure to join our Telegram channel, our social media channels, especially here on YouTube channel. Facebook page, yan, dyan din ako nag-upload ng mga updates and announcements. So, make sure to follow or subscribe. So, guys, again, napahaba na tayo. Basta keep in touch. Stay lang kayo dito sa channel and I'll keep you updated. So, that's all, guys. Again, thank you so much for watching. This is Baby Snow. Happy earnings, everyone. Bye-bye.